Good morning, students. Today's class will be on revision of working length determination. So this class has been taken so many times. So we will focus on some exam point of view, and I will upload the class lecture also. When we see the university question paper for the last 10 years, you can see that working length has been asked so many times, and most of the time either it will be essay. If it is not an essay, then it will be asked as a short note. So coming to the essays, these are the type of essays they have been asked, like define working length, then followed by you have to enumerate the various methods to determine working length, and you have to either explain any of the method in detail. Other variations are you have to classify all the endodontic instruments, and then followed by working length determination and an explanation on apex locator or uh, anatomy of the root apex. So these are the three questions which has been asked within the last 10 years as an essay. The highlighted portion has been asked as a short note. So mostly apex lectures as a general term will be asked as a short note, or various methods in working length determination is it's itself a short note. So I will explain how to write an essay. You have to modify the content based on the question asked. So coming to the essay, whenever an essay comes, there should be a synopsis. Okay, synopsis should contain all the topic. So here I am given for a general working length, but depends on the question. You need to modify the synopsis. First should be definition. Whatever may be the question which is asked regarding the working length, definition is a must, and anatomy of the root apex should be written with the diagram. Okay, diagram should be drawn, and anatomy of the root apex, like what is major diameter, what is minor diameter, what is apical foramen, and what is radiographic apex, anatomic apex, everything will be represented in the diagram. Then followed by methods of working length determination, what are the various methods, and then you have to explain in detail. Okay, so you have to, while explaining, you need to mention what are the pros and cons of various methods. So last one is the clinical consideration. So in this clinical consideration, you need to mention what happens if it is there is a different clinical scenario, like if there is a open apex, which radiographic method you need to prefer, or if there is a pus drainage or something, when the apex locator doesn't give proper reading, you what which radiographic method you need to prefer, or how you measure the working length in case of open apex, or in case of there is an purulent discharge from the root canal. And you can also mention like if there is a root resorption, where you should terminate the working length, like till where you need to prepare until where you need to obturate. So these comes under clinical consideration. So these are the broad categories for working length chapter as wise, but depending on the question, you need to modify this synopsis and write. But definition will always be there, and anatomy of the root apex will always be there. So other things will keep on changing depending upon the question which is asked. So coming to the short notes, if you ask, there will be questions will be on a broad term only, like working length determination, or methods of working length determination, or it will be like anatomic apex locator. So it will be like you need to write a lot of things. So make sure that everything comes in a flow chart or diagrammatic representation, and then depending on the time, you will explain whichever is important regarding the question. Okay. So coming to the assignments regarding to the class, go through the lecture video which is uploaded, and questions is uploaded in the SIS portal itself. Two questions has been given, and there is a separate classroom link where assignment need to be submitted. If in case of any doubts regarding the apex locator or this working length determination is a radiographic method, you can feel free to contact me. Okay, so because the working length is a important topic, not only academic point of view, from clinical point of view. Okay, where need to stop the preparation and where you need to end the observation, what happens if you go beyond. So everything has a important value. Okay, thank you.